This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Ben Williams. Beautiful home with tons of character. Many recent improvements just completed include foundation repair, paint, new toilets, new water heater, HVAC serviced and new septic system. Outside of city limits, yet only 3 minutes from Highway 289 and Highway 82. With more than 4,200 square feet, this home has room to roam and great design for casual country living. Features include soaring 2-story Riverstone fireplace, second-floor balcony and a master suite downstairs. Home sits on an acre with dozens of oak trees, and the only behind this home Mother Nature. This 6-bedroom, 3.5 bath beauty will make your country heart sing. Estate of Ronnie Lynn Haliburton, Darold Adami Administrator. Additional acreage available. For more information